Hey guys, meet OrbitClock. OrbitClock is a space satellite inspired and IoT environmental clock. It works on NTP protocol and provide an accurate time. Along with that, it also lets you know the current temperature and humidity at the same time. To build this, I designed its CAD in Autodesk Fusion 360, and once it designed, I printed with my 3D printer in grey color PLA filament, and here is the final results. To build this project, you required only few components. Before moving further, let's talk about today's video sponsor, NextPCB. NextPCB is a famous worldwide leading manufacturer of printed circuit board. To order your PCB, simply click on Quote Now and upload your Word file. Select parameters according to your preference and add to cart for instant checkout. Sign up using the link in the description and get $20 welcome coupon. Here I have already uploaded the code into ESP32-C3, and if you don't know how to upload the code, then check written tutorial, link is in the description. Along with that, all the source file is given too.